Hi, it's Cindy Cotton, the Executive Director of the Osterville Village Library, and I have a really exciting new database for you. We've found over the years more people are downloading books than reading the traditional paper books, so now we have another way to keep you engaged from home or at the library with this new database that we have called GetSetUp. To access it, you go to the front page of our website, ostervillevillagelibrary.org. And then you can just scroll down. It's under our featured digital resources and get set up. Click on the Access Now button. And there you go. It'll pop up. So what's nice about this database, it's geared towards people 55 and over and has programs that you can attend live and ask questions and get immediate help, or ones that you can participate in later or watch. So there's up here at the top, there's classes, articles, series on different things, on wellness, holidays, guides, and there's a community where you can meet other people. So a little bit about this database is you can attend a live movements class. There's yoga for back pain. There's popular series about safe aging and health. There's also a lot on technology. So if you had a question about your Android or your Apple phone or your Apple Watch, there are appointments like at 1 o'clock, 7 p.m., 3 p.m. that you can log on and book and actually talk to somebody live to get help. And it's a wonderful thing. It just brings it to you when you need it. So there's also food and recipes, technology. We will be doing a program inside the library to show you how to use it. But if you have some time, you'll need to go on to our website and set up your profile and look at all the different things that are available, from travel and arts and being creative and lifestyle. It's all sorts of things. And we really hope it'll bring you more learning and excitement and connectivity, because that's very important to us. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you. So mark down the date, November 29th. We're going to have a pop-up craft fair inside the library. It is going to have amazing local artists, beautiful one-of-a-kind glass bone jewelry. We're going to have gems and silver and art and these beautiful introspective cards that'll make a wonderful gift for anybody in Osterville Prince. So stop by while you're in the village and you're down celebrating the Thanksgiving weekend, and we have so much to be grateful and thankful for at the Osterville Village Library, and we look forward to seeing you here during the holiday season. You don't have to travel off Cape to see beautiful artwork. Right now we have Denise Barker with her exhibit up in the main meeting room. It truly is beautiful, and I hope you'll take time to come by and see it. It is up through December, and she's having a reception December 6th. It's all in our newsletter, so make sure you put it on your calendar.